Morning. So, hello. We're on our last day in the forest, Longleat, Centre Parcs. What are we doing this morning?
Rapids.
Rapids. So come in, we'll film some of it for you, and hopefully we won't drown. See you in there. Bella Italia on the left. Now you come round to the left, there's a nice little tack shop. It's got all sorts of nice little things inside it. Nice Christmas stuff in September. Next door you've got the Parc market, which is reasonably priced. You get everything in here, all your fruit and veg. Nice little bakery area. The waters. That's the way we came in. Bella Italia upstairs. Lots of seating areas in here. This is where we came to eat on our first night at Parcs. So we've just been to the Subtropical Swimming Paradise. There's it in the background there. What do you think?
Oh, it's amazing, yeah. Shattered.
Yeah, it's absolutely...
I've been down there about 100 times.
I know, it's so exhausting. Yeah.
Back up the stairs, round again.
Such a good laugh.
Yeah.
This is the big draw here. And out of all the activities, this isn't the one you have to pay extra for. And yet you spend a lot of your time here. And I'm absolutely knackered. I've bashed my toes, but it's all worth it. So let's hope they're not broken. And
so dramatic.
So dramatic. Over in the distance there, you see a little pool area. Because at the time we're at now, all the kids are back at school, so there's a lot of mums and dad with tots at the minute. So, you know, not many of them are using the rapids here. So when you go down them, it's literally, we're on our own for most of it. You know, there's the odd person, how inconsiderate, I know. But look at it, it's absolutely fantastic. So, and the weather, it's 29 again today. What is it, September the 5th? No, September the 6th, 2023. Can you believe this weather? It's absolutely gorgeous. And what a setting to be in. Look at this setting. Oh, you just can't get over it. It's amazing. Oh, that was good. Anyway, perhaps it's your choice of ball. Have you tried chucking a potato down there? Hey! The threat of well, it's a spare, but you know, who's counting? A spare! Right, I'm going to get a strike here. Right,
Just need to mention it's
a strike. Kiss the ball. Kiss, no, don't kiss.
It's about 400 degrees in here. Yes! He'll never ever talk about it either.
Hello everyone. So, this is the end of our Centre Parcs holiday.
Why are you shouting?
I don't know. But it's the end of our Centre Parcs holiday. So when you last saw us, we was bowling. How did we get on at bowling?
Oh, I was dreadful, like absolutely dreadful. Quite a few times I got 0 pins down, nothing. They went in the gutters. Is that what you call them?
The gutters, yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
That's a bit of bowling
She's
terminology.
she's learning all the lingo. Anyway, so we did that. Then later on, we went to dinner at the Foresters Inn, which is, where's that, by the Sports Plaza?
No, the Village Square.
Village Square.
The Village Square.
So we went down there. It's like a gastro pub type thing. Anyway, I quite enjoyed it. I had the fish and chips. You had the
steak and vegetables.
And then for afters or pudding, I had the sticky toffee fudge brownie cake.
No, it was warm chocolate fudge cake.
Yeah, with a lump of ice cream on it as well.
That's it.
Yeah, someone was jealous.
Not at all.
Not at all. Anyway, so we had a lovely day today. We went down the rapids again, and you know what? I'm so glad it's at the end of the holiday, because I think I'd kill myself if I was here any longer. I smashed my toes up, and yeah, it was just chaos really. Anyway, we've had a lovely time, haven't we?
Yes, we have. Yeah.
Yeah. So, what was your highlight?
Rapids.
Yeah, mine too, I think.
Loved it.
As I said earlier, it's the thing which is included in the price regardless, and you just go and use it whenever you want. Absolutely brilliant. Okay, so on that note, please subscribe, please like, please like, subscribe, tell your friends about us, comment, and I guess we'll see you next time.
We will. Bye bye.
Tra!